Kristen Judy. I own and operate 511 Creative Studios. We teach music and fine arts lessons to ages 4 and older. I started with 2 students, and from there doors just kind of opened up. And so since then we've taught over 175 students.
My name is Karina Palacios, and the name of my business is Phase Offerings. So for my business, I make a lot of crochet things. So I make stuffed animals, I make like face scrubbies, hip washcloths, as well as like headbands, and I also make bags. For jewelry, I make like bracelets, necklaces, earrings are one of my favorites. I just have so much creativity and I like that I have an outlet for it, and it really makes me happy that my things can bring other people joy.
So my name is Sarah. So I sell prints of my artwork and stickers and keychains and bookmarks and cards. And it's been a lot of fun to try and sell my art and show other people my interpretation of God's creation.
My name is Noah Pelletieri. I have been doing business for a little less than a year. I started early January, but I have been doing puppet making for about 4 years now. Running the business, probably just being able to get out and sell to people, being able to, I'd say, socialize with the customers.
My name is Anaya, and this is
Amani.
Together, like the parent company is fearfully and wonderfully made, but as siblings and with different interests and different gifts, we decided to branch off into our own things to create. So I have Aromatic Creations, which creates the candles that you see here, and the small magnets over there.
And in the name of my branch is Gifted Creations. And for me, I make a whole bunch of stuff. So I make savings jars to save up for a nice vacation. I make thankfulness jars. If you're thankful for something, you write it down, and at the end of the year, you go back to it.
I would say go for it. There's something for everybody, so whatever you make will definitely sell.